Are you looking for a trusted and professional local lawn care provider? Is your backyard just plain dull and uninspiring? When you would love to have a peaceful backyard oasis to relax in at home, but don't know where to start? It can seem like a daunting task ahead of you. Wouldn't it be nice if you had a trusted local landscaper who could help you plan and achieve the beautiful yard of your dreams? Luckily, we're here to help. We're the friendly local landscaper that can help transform your yard into a relaxing and natural oasis of peace and tranquility. We can tackle all types of projects, from routine lawn trimming to large backyard renovation projects. We understand that ideas can be big and budgets can be small, which is why we'll get you the custom quote you need to turn your landscape dreams into reality. Give us a call today